Hello angels, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Yes, I'm going to do this video today. The look that I'm wearing right now, it's going to be summer here and I wanted to do a tutorial which is absolutely glowing. I wanted to do a base which is true glow. So I mixed a beautiful product with my foundation to get this wonderful glow. And yes, I also used an amazing palette by Huda Beauty to get this nice bronze gold look on my skin. I just went out for shopping for cosmetics, which is my favorite pastime, and I picked up a lot of Smashbox products. So I wanted to try them on and see how does it feel. I tried this. Most of the products in the video are from Smashbox and I totally love how do they feel on my skin. So without further ado, let's get started. Lately I have been obsessed with oils, so I picked up this photo finish primer oil from Smashbox and I'm going to prime my skin with this. I'm going to apply it all over my face and let my skin bathe into it. For my color corrector today, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this one is in the shade Orange. I'm going to apply it on all the dark areas and blend it using my Winsome Story Beauty Blender. It's summer here and I never wanted to do a base which is very heavy. So I picked up the Smashbox Camera Ready BB Water. It is with SPF 30 and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'll blend this BB water using this Kat Von D foundation brush, and I just love how the foundation comes out with this brush. This BB cream feels so light on skin, gives me the perfect coverage that I wanted and gives me a nice luminous glow as well. Now comes the beautiful product that's going to help me with that wonderful glow on my skin. This is by Kiko Milano and it's the Arctic Holiday Highlighting Drops. I'm going to apply it on all of my face and I'm going to blend it using the same foundation brush from Kat Von D. I just love how this BB cream and the highlighting drops combination have turned out to be. I also picked up the Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer from Smashbox and I picked them in the shade light and medium. I will apply medium under my eyes and all the areas which needs more coverage and blend it using the same damp beauty blender. And for the highlighting areas, I'm going to use the same concealer, but this one is in the shade light. Again, using the same damp beauty blender from Winsome Story, I'm going to blend it into my skin. This concealer gives me good coverage. And let me see if it stays for 24 hours or not. The powder that I'm using today is not from Smashbox. Indeed, this one is from Makeup Forever, and this is the Ultra HD Micro Finish Powder. This is in the pressed form, and I'm going to apply it on certain areas where I feel that I need to set my base. Most probably the center of my forehead, under my eyes, and around my lips. Now it's time for bronzer. Bronzers are a must in summers, and I'm going to use this Too Faced Chocolate Gold bronzer using this Makeup by Analia brush. I love the glow that this bronzer brings to my skin, and even the color. Oh my god, this smells divine. It just smells like chocolate and I just feel like eating it. Now it's time for blush, and I am using this Trio palette from Smashbox, which has two amazing blushes and one highlighter. And I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks using Makeup by Analia brush. Now it's time to spray Fix Plus, which I always do before doing my highlight. I let this dry for say about 30 seconds. And now for that ultimate glow on my skin, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this one is in the shade Pink Sand. I'm going to apply this using this brush from Iris, and I love this fan brush for applying my highlighter. It just fits so well on your face and gives you that ultimate glow. Now it's time for brows, and I'm using this eyebrow sculpt from Kiko Milano. It is in the shade 05. I'll finish it off using this spoolie on the other end. And now by using the same concealer from Smashbox, I am just going to prime my eyes. I'll make sure that I'll cover everything from the lash line to the brow bone. For my eyes today, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I love the shade Orange Soda. I'm going to use the same brush which is there in the palette and apply it as a transition color. Now I take this color which is Sienna, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush and apply it in the crease line. Now it's turn for Mulberry, and I'm going to work with this shade just in the outer corner of the eye. Just in that V and little in the crease line. This palette has got beautiful colors. And now for the main lid, I'm using the shade Bronze. Oh wow, how gorgeous the color is. And I'm going to cover my whole lid using this same color. Now with a nice small fluffy brush, I'm going to use the same shade, which is Mulberry, and work in the lower lash line. Now it's time to highlight, and I am going to use this shade, which is Fairy, and with a nice soft pencil brush I'm going to apply this color in the inner corner of the eye and on the brow bone as well. For my mascara today, I'm using this Better Than Love two-faced waterproof mascara. I'll apply it on the upper and lower lashes. And for my lashes, I'm using these Usher Premium 3D lashes. This one is in Light Collection. I'm going to apply it with the same glue that they've given, and love how do they look like. For my lip color today, I'm using this Always On Liquid Lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Bang Bang. So this is the final look that I created using my Smashbox Huda Beauty and Anastasia products, and I truly love it. It's a nice summery total glam look. So in case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.